Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about sprayers. So we've hit that magic time in the season where it's going to be time to spray fairly soon. Lots of guys are pulling their sprayers out, getting ready to go, doing some servicing. When you're doing that, what we suggest is the last thing you do is water your unit up, do a flush on it so that you get rid of all of those things that might still be hanging out in the system. Might be some residual chemical, maybe even a little bit of dirt, sand, whatever. So do a flush of your system, clean your filters out, maybe even do a rinse with your finish or bleach or whatever you use to clean your sprayer out. And then load up with some water and go out into your yard and just do a quick test. So do a stationary test where you're spraying stationary to make sure that your nozzle poppets are working fine. You know, if you have the OptiStop system, if you have the OptiPulse system, you're going to want to check to make sure that those solenoids are firing correctly. Then shut it off. Go have a look if anything's dripping because you may have bad poppets. Remember that poppets are recommended to be changed about every 500 operating hours on your sprayer. Some of the chemicals, especially dry flowables, have an impact on the sealing surface on those poppets, and it's a good idea to replace them. There are heavy duty poppets or extreme duty poppets that you can buy. So talk to the service guys or talk to the parts guys, but at least run a stationary water test. Have a look. It'll show you if there's anything that you missed in your winterization, and then just do a quick test so that you know if your nozzles are stopping, if there's something you need to clean or replace. It'll go a long way that day when you want to go to the field and start going if everything has been working before or you've corrected those issues. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.